Next rider, also from Taytay. Taytay Rizal.
Expert.
Supermercado.
Expert final.
Pinibirat, single pa to.
Viterbo. McLaren.
Sound check.
Malgapo.
Yan, pinibirat.
Jirik Mitra.
Winner of the open
Thank you.
Mercado and Ralph Ramento. So nandyan, McLean Aguilar. Binitawan na, expert final. Whole shot by
Who will take the whole shot?
Young
And
Master.
winner of the Young Master taking the whole shot, Jerry Mitra.
Oh,
He got an early lead. 5 laps.
so Young Master followed by Ralph Ramento.
Beginners production.
Wow. Third it's Viterbo.
Gate now.
McLean Aguilar.
Executive A, please get ready.
Oh. Young Master on the lead. Followed by Ralph Ramento.
Jerry Mitra.
Oh. Dikit. Ay! Munti ka na dun. McLean and Viterbo. Grabe.
And we have David Malcamo on fifth.
Pakpakan to the map sa expert final. Young Master versus Ralph Ramento.
Viterbo is moving up.
Alright.
And David Malcamo
Wow.
on fifth. So battle for third and fourth. And it's now McLean Aguilar taking the
Shout out po kay Nico Boras. Ano masasabi mo po?
Estelle on the lead, Young Master, followed by Ralph Ramento.
Ralph Ramento.
Oh.
McLean Aguilar.
Wow. Ayun.
David Viterbo on fourth.
Wow. Wow.
David Malcamo is still
David Viterbo versus McLean Aguilar. Wow.
po natin. Jerry Mitra is trying to put away. McLean Aguilar on third.
Ayun, no? Dikit lang ang laban, guys. Dikit lang ang laban. Dikit lang ang laban. This is 5 laps of racing.
They're almost on the halfway, and it's still
Still, Young Master Jirik Mitra.
on the lead, followed by Ralph Ramento on second.
Oh,
Third is McLean Aguilar.
ayun,
Fourth
no?
is
McLean versus Viterbo. Oh, Malgapon on fifth.
po yung mga
Oh,
approaching for the white flag.
Unti-unti nang lumalayo yung master.
After they cross the finish line section. And it's still Jeric Mitra leading
Yun, no?
over Ralph Ramento.
Oh.
Maclean Aguilar.
McLean on third. Peter for fourth. Oh. Young master. White flag. Oh.
White flag.
White flag, white flag, white flag, white flag. Ay, Peter po na naman on third. Peter po na naman on third.
David Malgaco still on field. Rider from Isabela.
Nakuha na naman si McLean ni Peter po.
It looks like as he goes down.
So waiting for checkered flag. Young master Jeric Mitra and waiting for champion for expert category. RL Legazpi City Albay.
Battle for fourth and
Oh.
third and fourth still not finished between Aguilar and Viterbo.
Oh, black pass.
Aguilar gets the inside line.
Inside. Oh.
Yes, section.
Wow! Ralph Ramento.
Jeric Mitra,
Checkered flag, checkered flag. Oy!
and coming on third.
Champion Jeric Mitra.
We have Maclean Aguilar, David Viterbo,
So,
and David
Ralph Ramento,
Malgaco.
McLean,
Congratulations, guys.
Malgapo, Viterbo. Checkered. Deverat. And McLaren. Checkered,
Beginners
checkered.
production.